Hey guys, Danny here. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are reviewing the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots S. A little bit of a mouthful. This product was sent to me for review, and as always, if you'd like to pick it up, you can find a link down in the description. Now, I always start off by talking about some of the most notable features of the product I'm reviewing, so you know what you're getting yourself in for. And this one, the most notable feature I think would be the price, as this is probably the cheapest pair of earbuds I've reviewed, coming in at £20. They are using Bluetooth version 5 and the charging case is housing a 300 mAh battery. The unboxing experience was very basic and low key, what you'd expect from a product though in this price range. When I handled the charging case initially, I was very surprised by how light and cheap it felt. Now, of course, I am bearing in mind that this is a cheap product, but it definitely felt cheap in the hands, so you're not going to escape the fact that you paid £20 for this product when it comes to its look and its feel, so please bear that in mind. Visually, they've gone for a very safe all black design, which I don't have a problem with. I think when you're charging such a low price for a product like this, you don't really want to take any risks when it comes to the color design or even just the hardware design. It stays pretty standard to a lot of other earbuds. If you are a fan of a compact design, the earbuds themselves are very compact and small, so if you do have very small ears, these are probably going to be well suited to you. Expanding a little further on the feel of this product, the physical buttons that are being used on the side have a lot of wobble to them and again add to that cheap feel that this product has. So I can already hear some of you saying I'm being a little bit too harsh on these as they cost so little, but I have used some products that aren't that much more expensive and didn't have such a cheap feel. But let's move on from that anyway. How do they actually perform? Because that is probably a little bit more important. Let's start off with the bass. Now, this is an area that did impress me in some ways. For such a small, cheap product, this was able to produce quite impressive bass if you get a good seal in your ears, but it does have a tendency to affect other elements of the music, such as the vocals and the instruments in the background, drowning them out and taking away from their quality. It is worth mentioning though, in other areas of the sound profile, it does perform okay in some areas. So this product does have its place for some people. Of course, I think most people picking up this product aren't going to be expecting amazing sound quality, and you're definitely not going to get that. So if you are looking for a cheap pair, the sound quality isn't great, but if you're going to be using it just in basic situations down the gym and you want some tunes to be playing, then this is an okay product. And as I said, it does have its place for sure. The physical buttons on the side do make it a little bit uncomfortable to use, as you have to press on them quite firmly, pushing the earbuds deeper into your ears. So if you do have sensitive ears, this may be more of a problem for some of you than others, but they do work okay and they were fairly responsive to my input. You can do most of the standard stuff like switching tracks, pausing and playing music, activating your voice assistant and more. There is also a gaming mode which offers lower latency, but I can't say for sure that I noticed a difference. Maybe some of you will if you're avid gamers. I was disappointed to see that this product is still using micro USB. With USB-C being so common now, this is a bit of a downside, but maybe that was to be expected with the low price. The charging system is also very basic. You only have one LED to show you the product's charging status, so you can't get a more in-depth indication of how much charge is left in the cell. And the battery life will be enough to get you through a full day. You're able to get up to 12 hours of use when using the charging case. And that brings us to the end of this review. My final thoughts are, if you are thinking of picking up this product and you know what you're getting yourself in for, I don't think it is a bad deal. It is one of the cheapest I have used and it does do the job, but it is very basic and not of a very good quality. So it does have its place on the budget end of the market, but I don't think you can expect too much out of it beyond a very basic pair. As always, if you'd like to pick up this product, you can find a link down in the description. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.